In this video, I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly how to pair your IKEA Styrbar. So what you're going to do, the first step is going to be for you to make sure that your light source is installed and the main power switch is turned on. So that is the first step. And then when you have actually make sure that the light source is installed and that the power switch is turned on, then the second step is going to be for us to hold the remote control close to the light source you want to be able to add, and no more than 5 centimeters away. As you can see, that is very important. Then the step number 3 is going to be for you to press and hold the pairing button for at least 10 seconds, as you can see. So locate the pairing button and click on it, and then hold for at least 10 seconds. A red light will shine steadily on the remote control. Your light source will begin to dim and flash one time to indicate that it has been successfully paired. So that is basically exactly how to pair your IKEA Styrbar. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.